Hi guys, in this video I'm raising this $5 account. Well, let's see how far we can go. And also, I've been receiving several messages on my Telegram as regards the mentorship class. Certainly, not everybody would be able to access the mentorship class as a result of the fee. And that's where the my trading ebook comes really helpful. Because of the fee or the cost of the mentorship class, some people wouldn't be able to meet up with it. But with the trading ebook, just $5, it will go a lot way to help you. If you lack the finance to go for for the mentorship class, the trading ebook will do well to fill that gap. I'm taking a buy trade here because these patterns or chart patterns like this, they usually break to the upside. They might come down a little bit to scare you, but at the end of the day, they will certainly break to the upside. So please subscribe, like this video, and share. And as you are watching, please remember hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now, the price is going to push upwards. That's a drop, base drop from the 5 minutes time frame. Price would shoot upward, get to that region. It might break the region, but before it does so, it may sell for a very short time. Why? Remember, this is just the 5 minutes time frame. So I'm taking advantage of the buying opportunity, knowing that this chart pattern is going to break off to the upside. And if you look very well, we have something like a Kosomondo. So it might sell for a short time. But what I want here, what I'm doing here, I'm taking advantage of the price breaking upwards from the trend line. So I'll close my profits, and that is it. I'll look for another trade. When we scalp, you don't have to hold the trade for such a long time. You just come to the market, you take from the market, and you look for another setup. So I found one at Volatility 50 index, and I'm currently taking a buy here. This looks like a triangle. What happened that these chart patterns, they'll break to the upside and buy for some time, and they'll buy for some time. So I've drawn my upper trend line and my lower trend line. Remember, when drawing our trend lines, make sure they touch only the wicks, and they become stronger when they touch one, no, three or more weeks. But we can do it too. And I did not take my profits on time, and I'm currently seeing that the price structure has changed. So the market would be selling. I'll have to close and sell here, because from the second shadow zone, it has almost touched it. So price has changed the structure, and price would be selling. So there'll be no reason here to still be in a bad trade, except I want to blow up the accounts. So I'll put my sell, knowing that the price is going to break this trend line to the downside. It will break it going downwards, because because if you look clearly, a shift has occurred in the price structure. So I'll measure my first TP. How do we measure our first TP? The width of the chart pattern. And you see that this shadow zone is a rally base value. So price will really go there first. So the price would say and go all the way down there. Then it's will possibly buy. So after some few minutes, but this is just a 5 minutes time frame, and I'm scalping. The price had gone down. So what I'll do, I'm scalping, I'll take my profit. Remember, we came from $5. We are now at 23. So I don't have to wait all day trying to just be in the trade. I look for the opportunity and I found one here. And when I measure my TP, it hasn't gotten to the TP. But you know what? I'm scalping. I don't have to allow the price to get to the TP. All I have to do, I'll just come, claim my profit, then I'll look for another setup to enter. Now, the reason why I claim the profit there was because if the price reverse, it might be a bit terrible. Now, I found another entry, but this footage, this initially I opened about 10 position. So, but when the price reversed, okay, let me put on my history for you to see it clearly. Now, this is the history of the trade. So, what happened here was that I opened 10 positions and 8 positions were closed. They stopped me at, yeah, this blue, the blue arrow there. So those 8 positions, they automatically closed in a loss. It was only 2 positions that managed to survive and get it to the final destination. Now, having gotten to this point, if you look carefully, you can see that the price has formed what we call a double bottom. And what do double bottoms do? They buy massively. So this, I have um one reason. No, I think about 2 reasons to go to a buyer. Number one reason, if you can look carefully, this is what we call a double bottom. And I would open my buy position here. And if you can look carefully, you can see that we have something like um a bullish engulfing or a rally based rally. If I change to the line chart, you can see that this trend line that cut across the candles is acting as a form of support. So 2 reasons now. Number one, the double bottom. Number two, the trend line cutting across these candles. So what is going to happen here is that the price is going to buy massively and push upward to the next supply zone, which it would possibly break. But before it breaks it at first, there might be an initial reaction of maybe a short-term sell, a very short-term sell. And that would be good if you are scalping with a 1 minute time frame. But you have to understand something here. These lower time frame, they are highly inaccurate. Um, if you are a beginner, it's wise if you start with the higher time frames, like the 4 hours, or sometimes use the daily. It will go a long way to help your trading journey, because these lower time frame, they're not so much accurate. The 1 hour is still okay. It's but not so okay, but at least it's okay. It's okay. Don't trade the 1 minute. You not become good trading 1 minute time frame. Trade the higher time frames. And you don't have to always go full margin on your trades. And users being, if you do so, it's not as if your analysis might not be correct, but a little pullback might render your account out. So that's what you have to take note of. And you can see that the price did buy. It bought so well. So I've closed my profit. With myself, but we'll look for another setup to enter. Look for another setup to enter. And if you can look very carefully, you can see that the price at that this blue arrow here, because you can see that the price came down a little bit before it started buying. I found another entry here. This is what we call a pennant or a triangle, but it does look like a okay. It does look like a pennant or like a triangle. So guys, um, on the comment section, just comment and let me know. Remember, the book, the description is on the link of the video to my book, and it will do a lot to help those who don't have the money to afford the mentorship class. So you know what happened? These guys usually buy going upwards. A little bit of it test, and we just wait for our profits. We just wait for our profits. Well, this time things didn't go as planned. When I came back, these guys they launched a counterattack on my soldiers and the account went boom. The whole garrison was wiped out. Unfortunately, everybody was down. But if you can look carefully, it did hit the first TP. But anyway, well, this is something you have to understand. This part of trading. Sometimes things don't go always as planned.